Do you want to extract data from customs declaration forms, like this one? Here's how to do it. Once you are already in the Extract AI app, you click on Create a Template. Give your template a name so you will be able to recognize it later. Next, define the fields you would like to extract, such as dates, exporting country and importing number, item description, taxation data, and any other relevant information. Use a unique email address for forwarding customer emails or purchase orders to Extract AI app. You will get the extracted data, structured as defined in the template, sent to your email address. You can also find all your extractions in Downloads or Extractions tab, where you can export them. It is also possible to send the extracted data using an API. Click the link in the bio to start now.